welcome to Litigation Help. My name is Heather Twin, and joining me here is Heather Douglas. Hi, Heather.
Hi.
Today's video is on the term rule of law. Every so often, we come across this term when we do legal research, or sometimes we even see it in the news. For example, recently, actually just a couple of days ago, in the Globe and Mail, there's this article with the title, "In Canada, the rule of law is giving way to the rule of will." So, Heather, what does the rule of law, what does that term mean?
The rule of law has four main principles in it. The first one is that the government enacts the laws in a manner that is open and transparent. So when they make a new law, we should be able to find it. And nowadays, that would mean it should be available online. We should all be able to find the law. The second principle is that the rule of law applies to everyone equally. So whether you're rich or you're poor or you're white or you're Black or you have a disability or your religion or your gender, whatever the case is, it should apply to everyone. And of course, sometimes that means we have to build out special exceptions to allow the law to apply to everyone equally. For example, we have like ramps that allow people to get into buildings, so not everyone can use the same access point. So the baseline is that the law should apply to everyone equally, but sometimes for it to apply equally, we have to make some special exceptions here or there. The third principle is that the law governs the government and private citizens. So whether you're a government employee, you're the prime minister, you are a premier, or you are someone that is a student, it doesn't matter like if you're a private citizen or not, the law should apply to everyone. Mm-hmm. And lastly, the court should be independent. So when you go to a court and you go before a judge, they should not be influenced by financial factors or by the government. And an example of the rule of law in everyday life could be parking. So you see a sign and it says no parking between the hours of 9 and 5. So the sign is posted, it's available for people to see. And then you read the sign. You're supposed to know that law, and it's supposed to apply to everyone, whether you're the premier or you're just a citizen, or you are rich, or you are, whatever race you are, it doesn't matter. You're not supposed to park there. Again, someone might say, well, aren't there exceptions? And there might be an exception. Maybe there's one for people who have the handicap designation sticker, because they can't just park in any spot. They need a special exception to help them. But the point is that this law, as a default, applies to everyone, regardless of where they come from, and that the law is known. Everyone is able to find it. It is transparent. It is open. And there's not a special exception for someone, oh, just because you're rich, we have special rules for you, and you don't have to worry about parking. Just park wherever you want. So that's the concept of rule of law at the end of the day, is that everyone is treated equally.
So if a judge parks illegally, they're not off the hook either.
No, they should also get a parking ticket.
Well, thanks so much, Heather, for that explanation. And thank you everyone for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you click the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next videos. Thank you very much, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.